Hi, thank you for giving me this opportunity to be interviewed with you. I am Rachel Regina Bicarag. I am 35 years old and I am married. I have one son, ages with 11 years old. I am graduated at St. Paul University with degree of BS Hotel and Restaurant Management. I am an expat abroad from Kuwait, Middle East. I didn't finish my contract. I only got 1 year because my employer will live in Turkey for good. Did they not need any nanny there? Then I have an experience of handling the household chores also and gardening, especially taking care of kids which ages 16 and 12, 11 years old and 12 years old. I am also have experience in taking care of elderly. Also, I can manage also to take care of the bedridden because I was studying nursing before, and then I know also to cook Middle East cuisine and also the Chinese cuisine because my mother taught me before when she was working in Hong Kong 4 years ago, and I am willingly to take care your family if you have given me a chance to be with you and your family. I am a willing, a kind and full-hearted to take care of your family. Thank you for your time, and I hope you will consider me with your family in this company. Thank you.